that's Mustafa. That's Mustafa, Hannah. So I'm fishing a jig. Just doing a drag on a jig here. Nothing special. I got a nice hit the other day, so. My favorite fish is the bass. I love catching bass, largemouth, smallmouth. Really enjoy it. I'm saying your name right there, Mustafa Mohammed Moulion. Hope I said that correctly. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys stopping by. And yeah. It's cold, really, really cold. I'm trying to keep my hood up. I can't keep my hood up. It's too cold to keep my hood up. Trying to catch anything that'll bite. Possibles fishing live this morning, and he was traveling around to all these different areas trying to find some open water. It's been really tough. I'm in New Jersey, and it's been really tough here to find water that's not frozen over. Problem is, the ice isn't big enough to get out there. So, hey, cute Dirtball, how are you? Thanks for stopping in. I'm fishing in a breezy, cold, freezing weather, and I'm trying to keep the phone from flipping over. That's good. I'm glad to hear you. What are you up to? Doing my best to keep my eyelids from freezing in my face. Doing a little fishing here on a super cold day. Of course I can say cold. Purple. But as I said, got some winter gear here for Christmas, and I thought I'd come out and give it a shot. Got myself some new bibs, some new gloves. Always fishing on my Shimano Poison Adrena. That's what we're doing. Trying to catch fish. Got a lot of ice on the water. I got an area here that's not frozen over. Casting into the wind, and it's really tough. That would be exactly. You never know. You just never know. Watch your head. It would be crazy, but crazier things have happened. Yeah. How did you make out today? I know you were out fishing this morning.